I'm Carrie Wright from Endace, and I'd like to give you a quick overview of our latest innovation, EndaceProbe Cloud. Scalable always-on packet capture is now available for global hybrid cloud deployments. Record network traffic in public cloud, private cloud, and on-premise, and search from a single central console. Use powerful search and investigation tools to investigate threats or issues anywhere on your unified hybrid cloud deployment. Integrate with your suite of security or network monitoring tools for rapid one-click investigation workflows. For this demo, we have EndaceProbe Cloud deployed in both AWS and Azure, with our Central Investigation Manager console deployed in AWS. We've captured about 2 weeks' worth of network traffic, which could have been sourced from VPC mirrors, virtual packet brokers, or virtual spam ports from firewalls or load balancers that we have deployed in our network. I'll start a new investigation called Multi-Cloud Packet Capture Investigation and select a data source from AWS and a data source from Azure. These are my virtual capture appliances in each of those environments. I will add a traffic breakdown tool so that we can see how much traffic is available in AWS versus Azure. So traffic breakdown by data source will give me that view. And you can see roughly 50% of the traffic on each of those cloud environments. I'll also add traffic breakdown by application type so we can see what sort of applications are running in our network. I can actually display filter on some of those protocols so I can see what's actually sitting underneath, hidden by the bulk of traffic by the top protocols. I can also add a directionless IP filter. We have a range of different filter types. This is just one of them. And let me do that, run that filter over the last hour of captured packet data on both AWS and Azure. And what you can see now is that AWS is actually the one that is showing up that particular IP address. And we have a little spike of HTTP traffic there that I want to zoom into further. So I've just zoomed the view, and now it's rendering right in on that HTTP traffic. Display filters allow us to see low and slow protocols in our traffic. Conversations view is very useful for seeing details of each conversation running in our traffic, such as bytes transferred upstream and downstream. Launching Wireshark allows us to run a full instance of Wireshark in the cloud on our hosted Endace Investigation Manager, and it doesn't require us to download any of these PCAPs to our desktop. We can also launch file extraction feature. Extract files allows us to analyze the traffic and reconstruct all of the files and flows that occur within that traffic that we've selected. That gives us a zip file which contains all the Zeek logs associated with that traffic. The Zeek logs can be easily read by a human, gives us some interesting information such as the HTTP log or any other log that Zeek has been able to extract. We also get a full copy of every file that Zeek has been able to extract from the packets of interest. Here we've got a bunch of image files which are quite safe, but you may be able to extract important malware or other threats that have been traversing your network so that you can submit them to a sandbox or other analysis tool, or to see what sort of data has been exfiltrated from your network. Thank you for watching the EndaceProbe Cloud demo. Please contact Endace if you'd like to find out more.